must integrate Google Search Console with your website, especially if you are running Google Ads. But why? Because it will take your ad performance to the next level. How? Let's explain. You will find profitable keywords. You will see which keywords your visitors are using to visit your website. Compare with competitors and see for which keywords you are ahead or behind them. Also, you can easily identify which landing page brings the most clicks and visitors. Using this data, you can expertly manage your budget and bidding strategy. Now, let's see within few clicks how to integrate Google Search Console with website using GTM. Search on Google Search Console, then visit search.google.com. Click on Start Now. To verify using GTM, you must choose URL prefix option on the right side. Paste here your website URL, then click on Continue. Scroll a bit. Google Tag Manager, click on drop down menu. Remember, you must use the same Gmail account for both Google Search Console and Google Tag Manager. Click on Verify. Google automatically crawls your website. If everything is correct, you will see ownership auto verified message. After that, click on Go to Property. Now we start use the Search Console dashboard. Our setup done.